So we just finished up the install on the CarPlay on the BMW X1. Through the front of the vehicle now. Start the vehicle up. Obviously, as you will see, it comes on with your original menu. Now also it will start to connect with your phone automatically. It will start loading up the CarPlay as well for you automatically. So we turn the music down. So to go in, as you can see, it's bringing up the CarPlay as standard. Now if I wanted to go in and out of the menu, I can press and hold my back button just here and it will go back to my normal home screen. I press and hold it again, it goes to your CarPlay. As you can see, this is completely wireless, so no cables needed. If we go in here, we have your normal maps. Spotify. We'll show you all the recently used music. And obviously we can skip track by rotating the dial down here, and it will correspondingly record on the top. We can also control it via the steering wheel as well. So on the side of the steering wheel, we can scroll and it will change through the tracks. Obviously we can enter here. As you can see, it's changing track. Now if we go back,